Hey guys, good day. It's a baby girl Messinif, aka Make Money. Oh, if today is the first time you come across my channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like the video and drop your comment. You can also share it with your people that you think they may need this video. So and I know that everyone needs money, everyone needs money, and this is a free cool cash. Okay, because mining app, mining crypto is for free. You are not going to invest any money. Okay, so that is why I love this. I love to be a miner. So, but you need to be patient. It's not a rich quick job, and this is just for side hustle, not full-time job. It's just for side hustle because you may be mine. You may mine for like 6 months, a year, 2 years before some mine can turn to money for you. So that is why I said you need to be patient and consistent in your mining journey. So that's it. And disclaimer, please. Any video I share here is what I'm doing. I come to this channel and share with you guys. And please, you can do your own research before you start anything I share with you here. And please don't forget to ask on my in my comment section. Okay, don't forget to drop comments that hope this thing is still intact. Can I start so that I can tell you that we can start or not? Because let me put it in this way. Nothing lasts forever. So I may do some video for like 3 years ago, and you just come across it now, and you just want to start, and the opportunity may be hand. It may be hand. So you will just do it and say, this thing is not work for me, not this YouTuber, this is how they are. So that is why I said you need to ask before you start that can I start? Can I still join? So and I will reply you. Thank you. So let's go to the business. So this is the app. This is the app. They call it Interlink mining app. So you can start if you like. Actually, I have account, but it's because of you guys. I just want to show you how to go about it. So firstly, go I will drop my referral link and code on my description on this video or my comment section. So you come here, you click here, get started. Click. If you don't have account, then click on this sign up. Okay, then paste the link I dropped on the comment section. Paste it here, copy it and paste it here. So it redirects you to where to enter some code, and boom, you are going to see this interface. Boom, so this is the interface. Okay, so you come here. After done with your registration, so this is the interface. So this is what you are going to do. You need to come here. Okay, come to place. Okay, I'm still mining. As you can see, next mining cycle in 2 hours 47 minutes. So I'm mining now, but your own it will show start mining. Then you click on that start mining, and boom, you are mining. So that's it. And you need to come here. You need to come here. You need to come here. Hope you've seen it. You need to come here. So this is my name. You know all those information I I fill I filled when I'm registering. I mean when I'm registered with the app. So it will bring your name here, then search by invite code. I'm still coming there. I'm still coming there, okay? So you see this, you see this, you see this, you see this. This is group mining. We call it group mining. Okay, I'm the one curate all this group. I'm the one created all this group. Okay, so we are mining together. So mining together is going to give us more coin, more token than just mining without group mining. Okay, and if you join my group mining, you are going to receive uh double token, because if you mine here, okay, if you mine here, they are going to give you token here, and after that you join one of my group here, you are still going to earn some token. So you are going to earn two places, so two in one. Hope you get that one. Hope you get it. So thank you. So what this video to belong. Uh, that is all for registration and mining for now about the Interlink mining project. Okay, but let me show you something before you go. Before you go, okay. You see this circle. See this circle. Oh, this video is going to be long. Let me do another video about this. I will explain about this, how to go about it, and if you want to create your own group. So I will show you in my next video. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. So have a nice day and thank you. I love you all. Bye.